Hello, I'm Angel Morgan, and I'm going to be teaching a Dreamwork and Dream Arts certificate experience over 3 weekends, over 3 months at Northwest Creative and Expressive Arts Institute. So perhaps you've been having more dreams, or perhaps your clients have been having more dreams, and you would like to learn to explore that more and express that more and heal from that more, and to help others do the same. This is exactly the place for you to be coming to this particular certificate in Dreamwork and Dream Arts series. So the basics are, there are 6 sessions total, 18 hours of a deep dive learning with myself, Dr. Angel Morgan. It will be a uniquely creative and experiential process. The first level 1 on March 18th and 19th will be an overview exploring cross-cultural dream work, individual dream work methods, group dream work methods, and more. There will be a culminating process paper highlighting your learning experience. And after attending all 3 workshops and successfully completing the requirements, you will receive a certificate in Dreamwork and Dream Arts from Northwest Creative and Expressive Arts Institute, and the option of receiving 18 CEs for counselors, MFTs, and licensed social workers. What you'll learn. Dreamwork and Dream Arts are helpful doorways to individual and group creativity, which leads to healing and personal growth. This 3-part workshop series offers various methods of dream work and creative dream expression for both individual and group work. Lecture and discussion will lead to experiential group and individual activities. Bring your dream journal if you have one, and together we will cultivate a respectful space for creative dream exploration, and you will gain valuable new tools for your practice. Background for this series includes Kilton Stewart's Sonoy Dream Theory, Montague Ullman's Appreciating Dreams group method, aka the Ullman method, Fritz Perl's Gestalt Dreamwork, Gail Delaney's Dream Interview Method, Wilma Scategni's Dream Psychodrama, and Angel Morgan's Dream Bridging Method with Dream Arts. Level 1 will be March 18th and 19th, Level 2, April 22nd and 23rd. Level 3 will be May 20th and 21st. And each level is a prerequisite for the next. So when you sign up for this series, you will be going from level 1, diving a little deeper into level 2, and then level 3 will be the culmination of the entire series. So I hope that you find the concept of this certificate and the idea of it and the dream of it to be inspiring for you. And I look forward to seeing you and working with you in March. Blessings.